not melt as fast as if it gets hot, like if you're in a warmer climate. So about 1.5 teaspoons of beeswax. I'll let that melt. Let that all come together. So, in the meantime, while we're letting that melt, one was this? One was used for candles and one was used for lotion. And I gotta remember which one is which. This is the lotion. So, then we stir it so it can melt. So that's melt now. That's going really well. Alright, so I have this roller. Now I always think I have everything. But as I'm making things like, oh, I need this, I need that. And just add some fun to your projects. Alright, so I have a roller bottle. You can get these anywhere, any hobby store. You can get them on Amazon, Temu, everything. And I'll put some links down below. But I have some castor oil. I still need to use, I got a little bit left and I need to order more. It'll be easier with the top. Alright, so I put that much in there. Alright, then I've been using avocado instead of olive oil. It just, to me, it feels better. And I don't go all the way up, you know, because I'm going to add like rosehip oil. But here you can add your scents, whether you want to put peppermint in there, lavender, eucalyptus. I do a lot, like lemon balm, or we got vanilla, because people like vanilla. So my ylang, citronella, sandalwood, lavender, peppermint, vanilla, eucalyptus, bergamot, and lemongrass. So I know eucalyptus and bergamot, tea tree oil, that all helps with joints and inflammation. And this is what I do. I put the essential oils in there. We'll pick some. Let's do a sandalwood and vanilla. And put it in there, and just throughout the day, I rub, you know, just roll it on my hands. And to me, I really tell a difference. I really do. Okay, that is almost done. I got a paper towel. Alright. So add a couple of drops. If you have a dropper, that's good. There, you got one in there. One there. And then we'll add the vanilla. And my rosehip oil is over there on the table. I can add that later. But if you have vitamin E oil, if you want to use a jojoba oil, almond oil, anything like that, along with your castor oil, that works well also. And a couple drops of vanilla. Put your roller back in, and there you go. I shake it up before each use, and you can put a label on there But you know, I just roll it on my hand. I've been putting it on my arm here. Sometimes it takes a little bit of see, there it comes out. You have to, you can see it. Oh, that smells good. That smells so good. Alrighty. Put those over there. Bring it over here. This is actually done, so y'all can see what that looks like. And then we're gonna let it cool. And like I say, you can add so many different scents to this. And if you only have a few, that's fine. I have a whole bunch. So we got blue cotton candy, we have a chocolate, we have bubble gum, and then, you know, I have different ones that smell like coffee and everything. So this time I was thinking to do the chocolate, because this is going to be for my daytime. So we're going to add some chocolate. Well, maybe add some chocolate. I don't like trying to take this off on these, because, you know, it's hard sometimes, especially on these bigger ones. Alright, so let's see here. Let's do the bubble. Let's see if the bubble gum comes out. Some of them come out. Oh yeah, better. Woo. Alright, that's enough of the bubble gum. Let's see if this chocolate will now work. Sometimes you gotta shake it. Is there any left in there? Yeah, there's some left in there. And then once it starts, so you do, I wanted to do the chocolate. I don't know if there's anything stuck. Let's see now. Just depends on how it's made and everything. Alright, there goes one. Come on. So you can add like 2 or 3 drops, you know, up to 5, maybe 10. Oh, there's 2. And then, you know, how much it is. So we're going to let this cool. So, you know, it will come back together. You know, everything is, let's see it starting as it cools off. And then when it cools off, we'll whip it up and we have our lotion. I'll bring you back. See, now it starts. So we got about like 10 drops of chocolate. So while we're waiting for this to cool down, we have other ideas that we could do. If you know, go to the store, if you've already got, you know, candle stuff, you can make candles for mom or grandma, aunts, and everything. And then, you know, I have these mica powders that I got to, you know, you can use not only to make candles, but if you want to use stuff to, like, for your own makeup, lotions and everything, and so many different colors. I have a wide range of colors, and I've always loved blue, and Anastasia picked out purple for me, so I have this. So this time I think I'll color my lotion just a little bit. And let's see here. My spoons here. And since I didn't put that much, make that much just yet, I'm not going to put a whole lot. So we'll use the little one. Now we'll just put that in there. And then, you know, I'll give it some color. Alrighty, so I stuck this in the fridge for a little bit just so I could do what I need to do. And look at that purple color. Alrighty, so it takes about 5 minutes for it to like whip together and everything. So now we're going to put this in the jar. Alright, so you can see this. I probably could whip a little bit more. But you know, as it settles down, it smells so good. And you would think, you know, that dark purple color, it would have been a dark purple. So it depends on how, you know, dark you want or light you want your color to be. Trying to get as much out of here as possible. Alrighty, so I'm going to tap this down into the jar. See, as it settles, it starts to, you know, gets, you know, more, I don't want to say hard, but you know, the better consistency. And then, you know, get it back, get it in your jar and everything. Put your top on there. You know, a bow or something. If you crochet, you can crochet a top to put on there. That'll be pretty. And then go ahead and use whatever. Yeah. And there you go. Oh, this smells. Oh, that smells so good. And in like an hour or so, you've got a homemade Mother's Day gift. So, there we go. So, thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, grandmothers, aunts, and everybody out there. Even if you don't have children, but you love children, you still influence them one way or another. So, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and happy Mother's Day.